Put beet peels in boiling water. The Chinese do this to cleanse the blood. Put the peels of one beet in the water and let it boil until the water changes color. You've just prepared one of the greatest Chinese treasures to cleanse the body's toxins. This drink cleans the blood vessels, helps with blood pressure, and even with anemia. Take 1 teaspoon of honey, add a pinch of salt, and mix it. We'll use a toothpick if you want. Strange mix, right? But there's a hidden reason behind it. Now the main step, add a few drops of lemon or lime juice. Stir again. The texture turns thick and unusual. At this point, the ingredients start working much stronger together than alone. People notice it makes breathing easier, and that's why our grandparents trusted this recipe. It clears any cough, dry, or wet.